Hello, my dear students. How are you doing? I hope you all doing well. I am your Itisri madam. Welcome you all to the English class. Today we are going to learn about the English chapter of your literature, that is three questions, and it is written by Leo Tolstoy. It's a very amazing story, and whenever you will read these chapters, you will know that it's very interesting towards you, and you have also in your mind some curiosity that what will happen to the next. The whole story basically revolves around the king. As the whole story revolves around the king and his three questions, of the answers he was seeking of the three questions, you have also in your mind that what are the three questions of the king and why the king wanted to know the answers to the three questions. The king wanted to know the answers of the three questions to become the most powerful persons in this world, and he will never fail in any aspects of his life. So let's know what are the three questions of the king. Look at this. The first question of the king is what is the right time to do everything. The second question is which people should he listen to, and the third question is what is the most important thing to do. So he got many answers, different types of answers from the different people of his three questions. So we have to know what are the answers he got from the three questions and from the wise persons. So look at what answers he got of the first questions. Some wise persons said that to know the right time to do everything, the king had to prepare a fixed timetable. According to this timetable, the king will do everything. So the second answers of his question is that some wise persons said that it is impossible to decide because what will happen in the future, it's quite uncertain. So how can someone decide the right time to do everything? So it is quite impossible to say the right time. And the third answers of his first question is that some said that the king needs some counsels of wise men to know the right times. Some wise men said that some counsels, the good persons, the wise persons will say what is the right time of this. And the fourth answers of his first question is that some said magicians could say what is the right time for the king to do everything. And these are the answers of the first questions of the king. And what are the answers of the second questions that the king got from the wise persons? The answers of the second questions were that some said counselors are the most important persons that the king had to listen because they will give different types of advices to the king to do everything. Some said it is only the priest. Priest can say that who is the right persons to listen. And third answers, some said that doctors are the right persons to listen. The king should have to listen to the advice of the doctors, what will they say. And the fourth answer, some said that soldiers are the most important persons for the king to listen. The king should listen the words, the advices of the soldiers. And the answers of the third questions are that the most important work, the most important business for the king to do is the science. To develop in the science, scientific science and technology is the most important work for the king to do. And second answer is, some said that fighting is the most important thing for the king to do because due to the fighting, due to the war and preparing the soldiers is the main work of the king that he will protect his kingdoms through that. And the answers of the third question, some said that it's the religious worship is the important work for the king to do because due to the religious works, in the king will get the bless of the gods. So these are the three answers of the questions, but do you think that the king becomes satisfied with these answers? No, the king did not satisfy with the answers. So the king wanted to go to the hermit to seek the answers of his three questions. So without any dress up, as he is a king, so he had to go with the horses and with the soldiers, with the security persons, but no, he went alone to the hermit. As you know, hermit was a very ordinary person living in the hut, living in the forest, and he has no any fashionable works. So when the king went to the hermit, he saw that the king was, the hermit was digging the ground. The king saw the hermit was a very ordinary person. He was very thin and he was doing his work. And the hermit did not look up to the king. There, when the king went there, and he asked the answers of his three questions to the hermit. But the hermit did not listen and did not answer to these questions. Again, he started his digging. Frequently, the king asked the answers of the three questions, but the same result the king got, that the hermit did not listen and did not answer the questions of the king. So the king became dissatisfied. So he loses patience. Again, he asked the hermit, please answer my questions. But the hermit, what he did? He gave the spade to the king and take some rest. Like this, the time passed, the evening came, both the hermit and the king got to take rest. So in the next morning, when the hermit went to dig the grounds, at this very moment, a bearded person come to the king and asked his forgiveness. The king was really surprised. What happened? Why the bearded person is seeking the forgiveness from me? The king asked, what happened? The bearded man said that, one day you have murdered my brother and you have also taken some lands from mine, so that whenever you come from the kingdoms, I followed you and wanted to murder you. But what happened? I know that you are not the culprit, so I wanted the forgiveness from yours. So the king became so satisfied that he did the service to this bearded man, and some wounds are also there. So the king and the hermit both take some service of this bearded man, and when the bearded man became well and he went away, again the king wanted to know the answers of the three questions. The hermit said, you already got your answers to the three questions. The king was surprised. How he got the answers of the three questions? I did not get the answers of the three questions. The hermit said, the answers that you got is the right time to know everything is the now. Now is the right time to know everything. Because if we will go today, you will be hurt by these bearded persons. So whenever you will remain in my heart, you are secure. So the right time is now. And the second answer of your question is, the particular persons at this particular time is the right persons to listen to. And the third answer of your question is, what was the particular work you are doing is the right work to do everything. And in this way, the king got the answers of his three questions from the hermit, and he became so satisfied that, and he thanked to hermit and went away to his kingdom. So the king was satisfied. In this way, you know that what was the right time to do everything? Now is the right time to do everything. Present time is the right time to do everything. And what are the right persons? The persons to whom with you now, at a particular time with you. This is the right persons to listen to. And the right work is, what is the work you are doing with the particular persons who is now available with you. So this was the right work to do. Okay. Thank you, students. And for the next time, we will discuss about the next chapters. So till then, thank you all.